Casement Windows Miami Beach is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. With a variety of casement window styles available, residents can choose from energy-efficient casement windows, custom casement windows, and hurricane impact windows to suit their specific needs. Casement window installation. Miami Beach ensures that your windows are fitted perfectly, providing maximum energy efficiency and security. Window replacement. Miami Beach is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their homes with modern, energy-efficient casement windows. These windows not only improve the appearance of your home, but also offer significant energy savings. Energy-efficient casement windows. Miami Beach are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Custom casement windows. Miami Beach offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window designs to match their unique style preferences. Whether you prefer vinyl casement windows, Miami Beach, or aluminum casement windows, Miami Beach, there are numerous options available to suit your taste and budget. Custom casement windows provide a tailored solution for any home, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Hurricane impact casement windows. Miami Beach are essential for protecting your home from the severe weather conditions often experienced in Florida. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. Investing in hurricane impact windows is a smart choice for Miami Beach residents looking to safeguard their homes. Vinyl casement windows. Miami Beach are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance, durable window option. Vinyl windows are resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, making them ideal for the humid Miami Beach climate. Additionally, vinyl casement windows offer excellent insulation properties, contributing to energy savings. Aluminum casement windows. Miami Beach are known for their strength and durability, making them a great option for those seeking a long-lasting window solution. These windows are lightweight yet sturdy, providing excellent security and weather resistance. Aluminum casement windows are also available in a variety of finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their appearance. Casement window replacement. Miami Beach is an essential service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your casement windows, Miami Beach. Regular maintenance and timely replacements can extend the lifespan of your windows, ensuring they continue to operate smoothly. Casement window maintenance. Miami Beach includes services such as window frame replacement, casement window hardware adjustments, and casement window screen replacements. Casement window styles. Miami Beach vary widely, offering options to suit any architectural design. From traditional to contemporary, there are casement window designs to complement every home. Double-glazed casement windows. Miami Beach provide additional insulation, reducing noise and improving energy efficiency.